You're a good soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh, oh, and if you fall, get up, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, 'cause this is Africa. Samina, mina, eh, eh, waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa.
Hello, check.
डांस के टाइम पे ये जो पोडियम है ना, आप इस तरफ लेके आओ, या फिर अभी लिया तो भी चलेगा, थोड़ा सा पोडियम इस तरफ।
वो बाजू लेना चाहिए था, लेकिन कैसा ब्लैकआउट होने के बाद है ना, उधर लाइट भी आती है ना।
A very good morning, dear parents, grandparents, and each and everyone present here today. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate our annual day 2024-25 Little Millennium Kondwa Katrit Center. Let's start with a huge round of applause. Today, as we come together to reflect the journey we have shared, it's an opportune moment to ponder upon the essence of relationships. Relationships come from the cornerstone of our lives, weaving intricate threads of connection that bind us together. Whether it's the cherished ties within families, the camaraderie among friends, or the bond with the nation, relationships enriches our existence and gives meaning to our experiences. On this special occasion, let us take a moment to appreciate those relationships that help us to shape the journey of our little ones. Today, we are here to acknowledge the support, encouragement, and love they receive from those around them. It is relationships that empower the children to overcome challenges, celebrate success, and navigate the complexities of life with resilience and grace. To begin with the lighting of the lamp, I would now request our esteemed guests of honors, that is all of you. I request an entire family, somebody who's present here, grandparents, parents, grandparents from both sides, dada, dadi, nana, nani, and parents, of course, mother, father. If there is an entire family who's here to attend the function, please come up on the stage. We would like to have the lighting of the lamp done by the family. Yes? Are we having anyone here? The complete family? Please join us on stage. Invite Yash sir on stage. He is the marketing head of Little Millennium. Yash sir, we welcome you to our annual day function. Please join us on stage for lighting of the lamp. It's the entire family who's here to attend the function. Please join us. Very beautiful and talented Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Swati Malapur, to please join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's clap for this entire family. That's so beautiful. They all are here to attend the function of their little one. Lighting a lamp signifies the removal of darkness and the arrival of enlightenment. It represents the pursuit of knowledge that dispels ignorance and the divine blessings that guide us towards success and growth. I request the grandparents to please come forward for lighting the lamp. Also, I request Yash sir to please join us. Ladies and gentlemen, as the flame burns steadily, may it illuminate our path towards knowledge, unity, and progress. Let this event be filled with inspiration, achievements, and cherished memories. Thank you parents, thank you grandparents for joining us on stage. Thank you Yash sir for joining us on stage. Please allow us a few seconds. We'll have everybody settle down. beautiful welcome dance. Our annual day dance performance brings to life an extraordinary tale from Hindu mythology, the great churning of the ocean Samudra Manthan. This sacred tale is beautifully woven into our performance with the stirring songs Namo Namo and Shankara paying tribute to the Supreme Mahadev, the Lord of destruction and transformation. Presenting to you Sagar Manthan, the dance of creation and destruction. Let's welcome on stage our kids of RTF 2. Can we have all the kids from RTF 2, from Sunflower and Lotus, for our first performance, that's the welcome dance. Our kids from RTF 2. We have all the kids from Sunflower and Lotus together doing a welcome dance on Samudra Manthan. Let's begin. 3, 2, 1, start.
भक्त जन का तू एक करता धरता द्वेष मुक्त मन हो तू जिसमें वास करता इसीलिए तो सबसे पहले बोले बप्पा मोरे विघ्न हरता बप्पा विघ्न हरता लगते राय माथे के जिसके भी निखरता की कसौटी पे है खरा उतरता इसीलिए तो सबसे पहले बोले बप्पा मोरे शंकरा तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने क्या बुरा है क्या भला तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा लिया तमस मेरा
Wow. Superb. What a beautiful performance. Superb. Thank you. RTF2, that was a wonderful performance. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye. Come on, parents. So parents, how was the welcome dance? How's the Josh? I can't hear you. How's the Josh? Okay. Welcome dance ही इतना superb था, and I'm sure you're going to love all the performances which we have lined up for you. Moving on to calling someone very, very special on the dais, a strong leader, a visionary, a guiding force behind our school success. Yes. Any guesses? Who am I going to call? Come on. Who's going to come here on the dais? Her dedication, wisdom, and unwavering commitment to excellence inspires us all every day. Ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, please welcome on stage our principal ma'am, Mrs. Swati Malapur. I would also like to call one of our very talented teachers, Amatullah ma'am, to please come up on the dais. Parents, before we have our ma'am to speak here, I would like to give a small information. Parents who are participating in the relationship dance, please be ready. After the graduation ceremony, we are going to have the relationship dance. Yes? After this, after we have our principal ma'am sharing some information with you, we'll have our graduation ceremony and then we have the relationship dance. Yes, parents, please be ready. Thank you. Amatullah ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. It's a great honor to stand before you all today on this special occasion of Annual Day. Today, I'm going to speak about most inspiring personality, our beloved principal ma'am, Swati ma'am. She is a backbone of our school, guiding us with dedication, discipline, and a deep love for education. Her hard work, commitment to our school's growth are truly admirable. Even on her most painful and challenging days, she stands strong, leading us with unwavering determination and a smile, ensuring that nothing comes on the path of learning and progress. Beyond rules, responsibilities, her relationship with every student, teacher, and every staff member is so motivating us to excel in academics, discipline, and personal growth. Her vision and leadership has transformed our school into a place where learning is a joyful journey. On behalf of all the students, all the staff members, I express heartfelt gratitude and appreciation for her heartless, tireless efforts. Thank you, Swati ma'am, for being such an amazing guide and inspiring us every single day. Thank you so much. Let's all give a big round of applause for our wonderful principal.
Thank you so much, Amatullah ma'am, and the whole team. It really means a lot. This came as a surprise to me. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you dear parents and yes, बहुत अच्छा लगता है खुद के बारे में कुछ अच्छा सुना दो. Thank you so much dear parents. So start. Change करो PPT. खुद को इतना देखने की आदत नहीं है. Okay, so first of all I would like to welcome you all. And this is like शादी बनाने के लिए शादी के लिए जितना efforts लगता है ना, this many efforts we are taking every year for 2 functions. That first is our sports day and the second is this annual day. It's like that कि घर पे शादी है. So big round of applause to the whole team जिन्होंने इतनी सारी मेहनत की. And to the parents, yes, without their support is not possible. So I'm going to start with my work, okay? So, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world, and yes, we are using it. Good morning everyone, respected guests, esteemed parents, Yash sir, dedicated teachers and my dear students. It is with immense joy and pride that I stand before you today on this special occasion of our annual day. This is a day of celebration, reflection and appreciation as we look back on the wonderful journey of the past year and the incredible milestones we have achieved together. At LMKK, that is Little Millennium Cartridge Kondwa Road, we believe that education is not confined to books alone. It is about holistic development, confidence building and shaping responsible, curious and creative individuals. Tell me I forget. Teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn. So this is what the quote given by Benjamin Franklin, and keeping this philosophy in mind, we designed numerous experiential learning activities this year, including theme-based celebrations such as Summer Day, Transport Day and educational field trips. These activities helped our children connect with the world around them and develop cultural and environmental awareness. To ensure continuous learning and growth, we conducted regular assessments, theme culminations and public speaking activities, all aimed at boosting our students' confidence and communication skills. Talent and creativity were at the forefront through various talent shows, stage performances and artistic expressions, giving our students the opportunity to shine and express themselves. We also encourage parental involvement by organizing special events for parents, strengthening the bond between home and school for our overall progress of our children. This year, we are thrilled to introduce some exciting new initiatives, that is STEM Lab, a hands-on learning experience. We have given them space to ignite curiosity in science, technology, engineering and mathematics. Taekwondo training, promoting self-discipline, physical fitness and self-defense. A parent's trust in a school is a greatest asset. So we are deeply grateful to our parents for their unwavering trust and continuous support. Your encouragement and belief in our vision inspires us to create a nurturing and enriching learning environment for our students. As we celebrate the achievements of our students today, let us look forward to another year of growth, learning and excellence. The beautiful things about learning is that no one can take it away from you. So, going ahead, I want to introduce our curriculum O2, that we are, coming with new curriculum. We are adding on some of the pointers in this. We are having 7-petal curriculum, but there are a few more pointers have been added, that is curriculum 2. So, Little Millennium pioneers innovative early childhood education, upgrading its award-winning curriculum to incorporate futuristic advancements. Our 360-degree update, enrich learning, focusing us on phonics and reading skills, STEM education, sustainable developmental goals, and financial literacy. These are all aligned with National Education Policy, NEP, that is 2022-2020, and National Curriculum Framework, NCF, for Foundational Stage 2022. So let's have a look at the video.
Hello everyone. Little Millennium brings to you Ascent, a transformative leap in our curriculum transition with 4 exciting programs designed to enhance learning outcomes, inculcate future-ready skills for our budding global citizens. Unlock the magic of words with our reading program. Tailored for every child, this phonic-based approach accelerates reading skills and sparks the joy of discovery in our children. Fuel creativity and curiosity with our STEAM program. Through hands-on activities, our children develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills in a fun-filled and engaging way. We are empowering our children to become change agents. With our SDG initiative, we are inculcating the universal values and skills in children of compassion, of caring for the planet, in order to lay the foundation for global citizenship. We are also inculcating in our little ones the value of money through our financial literacy programs. Through fun-filled, joyful activities, our children learn the art of saving, spending, sharing, and also taking thoughtful decisions. So with these 4 innovative, skill-focused, enriching programs, we deliver our promise to raise the learning bar, and together we promise to nurture curious, confident, and capable young learners. Welcome to the future of early education, only at Little Millennium.
So are you excited, parents, for this new beginning? Yes? Okay, so moving forward, I'm going to talk about our theme for today's program, that is introduction of the theme. So join our transformative journey, shaping your minds and shaping our young minds for a brighter tomorrow. Celebrate the most awaited event of the year, the annual day of Little Millennium Katraj Kodwaru. Today, as we come together to reflect the journey we have shared, it's an opportune moment to ponder upon the essence of relationship. So relationship form the cornerstone of our lives, weaving intricate threads of connections that bind us together, whether it's the cherished ties within families, then among the friends, or the bond with the nation. Relationship enriches our existence and give meaning to our experiences. So on this special occasion, let us take a moment to appreciate those relationships that help us to shape the journey of our little ones. So today we are here to acknowledge the support, encouragement and love they have received from those around them. It is those relationships that empower the children to overcome challenges, celebrate success and navigate through life with resilience and grace. So let us raise a toast to the beautiful tapestry of relationship that we are privileged to be a part of it. May we continue to cherish, honor and celebrate these bonds. Wishing everyone a wonderful evening filled with joy and celebration.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd now like to call on the dais. Can we have Yash sir, our marketing head of Little Millennium? I request Mr. Malapur to please come up on the stage. We'd like to felicitate our very supportive Yash sir, who is here to join us for this beautiful annual day event today. I request Swati ma'am and Mr. Malapur to please felicitate our esteemed chief guest for the beautiful event. Please put your hands together for our very supportive Yash sir. Yash sir, before you leave the stage, we'd like to hear you, a few words from you.
Good morning, parents. Won't take much of your time because I know everyone's waiting for their little ones' performances. Thank you so much for gathering in these numbers. I especially loved, all those families. Thank you so much who've come in, in the entire number. Dada Dadi, Nana Nani, that's wonderful gesture. That shows your involvement in your little one's education and growing up. Thank you so much for that. Right? And without much further delays, let's get on with the program. Right? Yes. Thank you so much. Enjoy the...
Thank you, Yash sir, for being a part of our event. Please be seated. Thank you, Malapur sir. Before we move on, we're going to have our graduation ceremony for kids of RTF 2. I request any one parent to please join us from RTF 2. I will call out the names of the children. Any one parent has to come along on stage. I will call out the names of the children. These parents have to be ready. So while we are doing the graduation ceremony, any one parent has to join us on stage along with the child. Srujan Kuldeep Jadhav, Vansh Shriyansh Joshi, Shivansh Prashant Nagarkar, Gauri Alpesh Mansate, Jinal Kasture, Nakshatra Dhepale, Veda Rathod, Niharika Jadhav, Harsh Wagmare, Avya Vishwakarma, Anvisha Meher, Abhirut Tomar, Kshitij Sapkal, Anvi Rajdiu. From RTF2 Sunflower batch we have Malhar Papalkar, Dhyanashri Patil, Arifa Sletwala, Pratyush Ambhore, Ira Shinde, Tasmay Lingade, Shivansh Patil, Lirisha Verma, Purvisha Gangwal, Riyansh Jagade, Bhargavi Pore, Husaina Bildingwala, Sarvajnya Patange, Rai Pawar and Aradhya Sapkal. Any one parent of these children has to join us while the graduation ceremony will be on. Moving on, very important part of our event, the felicitation of our Dance Academy. Today we take a moment to honor those who have helped bring this magical art to life on our stage. The incredibly talented team of Nritya Swara Dance Academy by Swapnil Humde and his team. Can we have Swapnil sir along with his team on stage? We have NV Crew, Nritya Swara Dance Academy by Swapnil Humne sir and his team members Deepika Gaikwad, Mrunal Kadam and Prachi Vishwakarma, who are having their dance academy based in Bibewadi over the last 10 plus years, and they have been training our little ones for all our events. A big round of applause. Without Swapnil sir and his team, our event wouldn't have been possible. They have taken words to bring this beautiful show to you. Thank you, Swapnil sir, on behalf of the entire team at Little Millennium. It's now time for the graduation ceremony. Our little kids are getting graduated. Swati ma'am, over to you.
Okay, the day came when ये छोटे छोटे बच्चे जो डीआर में आए थे अभी सीनियर केजी करके जा रहे हैं फॉर्मल स्कूल. थोड़ा बुरा भी लगता है, अच्छा भी लगता है. They are going to big school, but then the memories which are there with us will be cherished lifelong, right? So every child is a different kind of flower, and together they make this world a beautiful garden. Today is a truly special day as we celebrate the graduation of our senior KG students, a moment of pride, joy and nostalgia. It feels like just yesterday when these little ones entered our school, holding their parents' hand. Right now also they are holding their parents' hand. Yes. So eyes full of curiosity and wonder, and now they are ready to take their next big step into formal schooling. More confident, capable and prepared for the adventures ahead. So from theme-based learning, storytelling, music session to public speaking activities, outdoor play, each experience has helped them shape into confident and happy individuals. They have made friends, shared laughter and learned values of kindness, teamwork and responsibility. To our dear little graduates, you are stronger than you seem, braver than you believe and smarter than you think. So as you step into the next phase of your educational journey, always remember to stay curious, dream big, believe in yourself. You are capable of achieving amazing things. To our wonderful parents, thank you. Thank you for your trust, support and active involvement in your child's learning journey. Your encouragement has been the foundation of their growth and we are grateful to have you as partners in education. So to our dedicated staff, the teachers and didis, your love, patience and unwavering dedication have shaped these young minds, and today's celebration is a testimony to your hard work. Thank you for making learning such a joyful experience for our children. As we celebrate this milestone, let us cherish these beautiful memories and look forward to a future filled with learning and success. Congratulations to our dear graduates. Wishing you all a bright and happy future. Thank you.
To begin with our graduation ceremony, RTF 2, we have Sujan Kuldeep Jadhav. Sujan Kuldeep Jadhav, Vansh Shriyansh Joshi, Shivansh Prashant Nagarkar, Gauri Alpesh Mansata, Jinal Vivek Kasture, Nakshatra Thepale, Veda Jitendra Rathod, Vipra Patel, Vidanshi Patel, and Hitarth Tiwari. Niharika Jadhav, Harsh Wagmare, Avya Vishwakarma, Anvisha Anish Meher, Aryansh Kumar, we'll have 10 set of students at one time. Graduation is not just about receiving a certificate, it is a symbol of hard work, dedication, and the countless memories made along the way. It is a moment of pride not only for our graduates but also for their teachers, parents, and everyone who has supported them on this journey. Congratulations to each and every child who's been graduated.
It is my great honor to introduce to you today our graduating class. As they turn the page to the next chapter of their lives, they'd like to say something very special to you.
Set of students we'd like to call on stage are Niharika Jadhav, Harsh Wagmare, Abhirut Tomar, Kshitij Sapkal, Anvi Rajdio, Malhar Rahul Papalkar, Dhyanshri Patil, Arifa Sletwala, Pratyush Ambhore, Ira Shinde, Tasmay Lingade, Shivansh Patil. I would request Yash sir to please come up and do the honors, along with Mr. Malhar to please join us on stage. Can we have Mr. Malakul to please do the honors? each and every child who is being graduated.
It is my great honor to introduce to you today our graduating class. As they turn the page to the next chapter of their lives, they'd like to say something very special to you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two little words, two little words, two little words, not goodbye. It's the end of the year, graduation is here. Our two little words to our teachers, moms, dads, grandparents, and all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You taught us to read and write. You taught us to learn. You told us it'd be alright and how to take our turn. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You helped us to tie our shoes, learn shapes and colors too. There's so many things you do. We just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank
Next set of
you,
students I'd like to call on
everyone. Thank you
stage
for
Shivansh
all
Patil,
you've done.
Lirisha Verma, Purvisha Gangwal, Riyansh Jagade, Bhargavi Pore, Husaina Bildingwala, Arvi Vedande, Shivansh Jaju, Sarvatnya Patange, Swaransh Gaikwad, Rai Pawar, Priyansh Vaman, and Aradhya Sapkal. I request Malapure sir and Yash sir to please do the honors once again. To all our graduating students, as you step forward into the future, remember that learning never stops. The values, friendships, and lessons you carry from here will guide you towards success. Believe in yourself, embrace new challenges, and always try to make a difference. Congratulations to all of you on being graduated.
It is my great honor to introduce to you today our graduating class. As they turn the page to the next chapter of their lives, they'd like to say something very special to you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two little words, two little words, two little words, not goodbye. It's the end of the year, graduation is here. Our two little words to our teachers, moms, dads, grandparents, and all. Thank you, thank you, thank
Congratulations once again to all our teams who have been graduated. We wish you all the very best from the entire team at Little Millennium. Thank you, Yash sir, thank you, Malapur sir, for joining us on stage.
Thank you for all you've done.
Moving on to our beautiful show, I'd like to call on stage our little guests who are going to come up to do a small introduction about our theme for today. I'd like to invite Arifa Sletwala, Sarvadnya Patange, Husaina Bildingwala, and Ira Shinde on stage. Can we have these kids on stage? Also, I would like to call Trisha Bonwal, Amatullah Anaswala, Dyanda Birade, Sanvika Anumula, and Shruth Manod. Please join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, our little kids are going to come up on the stage. They have something to say to all you dear parents. I'll call the names once again. Can we have Arifa Sletwala, Sarvadnya Patange, Husaina Bildingwala, and Ira Shinde on stage.
Morning everyone present here, esteemed dignitaries, principal Swati ma'am, parents, grandparents, family, school team, and my dear friends. My name is Arifa Sletwala. I am very excited to welcome all of you to our 7th annual day concert, Kaleidoscope, the relationship. We are colors in a beautiful kaleidoscope, each one unique, but together we make something amazing. Today is a very special day for all of us. We have been working hard, learning new things, and preparing wonderful performances to share with you. Thank you.
Start. Sarvadnya, you can start.
Kaleidoscope, the relationship. Kaleidoscope shows so many different colors and shapes when you turn. Every relationship in a life is different and beautiful. Whether it is a teacher or family, each relationship brings a unique sparkle to our life. Thank you. But no matter what, our relationship help us grow, just like how the colors in a kaleidoscope keep changing and forming new shapes. The beauty of kaleidoscope reminds us how every person adds something unique and important to who. Thank you.
Hold on. We'll have Saratnya to say her lines again. Because of the mic, she was not audible.
Our theme for today is kaleidoscope, the relationship. Kaleidoscope shows so many different colors and shapes. When you turn it, every relationship in a life is different and beautiful. Whether it is a teacher, friends or family, each relationship brings a unique sparkle to our world. Thank you. Every day we learn new things from the people around us. Some days we might be happy, some days we might be sad. But no matter what, our relationship help us grow, just like how the colors in a kaleidoscope keep changing and forming new shapes. The beauty of kaleidoscope reminds us how every person adds something unique and important to who we are. Thank you. We all have different friendships, families and bonds. Some are big, some are small, but all of them are important. Annual Day theme help us celebrate these connections, showing that no matter how different we are, together we create something amazing and full of love. Thank you. So, sit back, relax and enjoy this magical journey where we all show you our relationships like the colors in the kaleidoscope blend together to create something wonderful. Thank you for being here. We celebrate with us. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you.
Thank you, pretty girls. I'd now like to call on stage Trisha Monwal, Amatullah Anaswala, Dhyanda Biradre, Sanvika Anumule, and Shruth Manot.
Dear Mom and Daddy, Dada and Daddy, are you ready?
Yes? We can't hear you. Are you ready? Yes. Thank you.
Three, keep, go by far, or Sairema, enjoy. We are enjoy with our friends and teachers. Not very. Please don't backstage. Teacher will call if required. Let's clap and enjoy. Teach, don't call or
Thank you.
Thank you, kids. They have explained some rules to you in such a cute manner. Doesn't seem like rules, super cute. Moving on to our first performance, we'd like to start with the kids of RTF 1. Can we have them on stage? Samprit Hirav, Dhruvi Chingeria, Param Jangir, Hanaya Suthar, Karnika Pomai, and Kabir Kamble. And a very important announcement, after the drama from these kids of RTF 1, we are going to have the relationship dance. Parents who are participating in the relationship dance, please come and wait at the backstage. It is everything. It is where life begins, love never ends, and values are nurtured. Children need strong family ties. The relation you build with the child is by being in the moment with them, spending quality time together, and creating an environment where they feel comfortable to explore. So dear parents, when your relationship with your child is so special, let's do our bit in nurturing these little ones to become confident adults. Presenting to you on stage, we have our little kids of RTF 1 doing a drama on Family Kaleidoscope.
Look at this, everyone. When I look through the kaleidoscope, I can see beautiful colors and patterns. It's so amazing how everything changes when you turn in. It's like magic. Then it's like Mama. Hi. Other family create something beautiful too. You know, I think each of us is like a different color and kaleidoscope. I am yellow color because I am always happy and make everyone laugh. I think I am blue color. I like to stay calm when things are tough. I try to help everyone feel better. मेरे पास I am full of excitement. I love to play with all you. I am like a green color because I like to help everyone. I love taking care of the plant. Hey! Important. White and one color was missing. The kaleidoscope Hope wouldn't be as cool and special as a family.
Let's clap for these lovely kids.
We all have our own colors, but together we create something amazing. When we all come together, we make the family and beautiful, just like a kaleidoscope.
Wow. Super. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together.
Today, our family has kaleidoscope full of love, different colors, and beautiful colors.
Thank you. You all are beautiful, just like a kaleidoscope with different colors. Thank you. Coming up next, we're going to have a lovely dance performance from the kids of RTF 1. It's a family dance. We request all the parents to get ready for the family dance along with your children. A family dance is more than just a performance. It's a wonderful reminder that the love and bond we share with our loved ones are the greatest rhythms in our lives. Through this dance, we celebrate the unity that makes us stronger, the joy that fills our homes, and the laughter that echoes in every family. So without further ado, let's welcome our wonderful kids on stage along with their parent to showcase their love, energy and spirit through this delightful family dance performance. On the stage, we have with us kids of RTF 1, Naitik Ranjan, Arsh Munde, Samit Das, Samprit Hirap, Hanaya Suthar, Dhruvi Chingedia, Hiranya Shinde, Sachi Rathore, Samaira Vagh, Akshat Verma, Kabir Kamble, Aram Kale, Rajvardhan Gaikwad, Karnika Pomaji, Riyansh Lakde, Param Jangid, Kavya Chajar, Abid Siddiqui, Arif Goel and Bhargav Bhagat. These are our kids from RTF 1. Yes? Parents, are you ready? Let's begin.
Together we are a family. My mother, brother, sisters, my father and me. Together we are a family. My mother, brother, sisters, my father and me. Together we go, my family and I. We make the snowman come to life. Daddy will dress him माँ मेरी माँ
Wow.
प्यारी
Let's
माँ
clap. Come on, everyone. Put your hands together.
ओ माँ
Beautiful mamas along with their children.
प्यारी माँ मम्मा हाथों की लकीरें बदल जाएंगी गम की ये जंजीरें पिघल जाएंगी हो खुदा पे भी असर तो दुआओं का है घर मेरी माँ प्यारी माँ मम्मा ओ माँ मेरी माँ प्यारी माँ मम्मा
Woo! Let's clap for the handsome papas. Wow.
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला आबोदाना मेरा हाथ तेरे है ना ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल
That was a beautiful performance from our little kids and their lovely parents. Thank you. Another lovely performance. We are going to have our kids of RTF 2 on stage for a drama on teachers and school. Relationship is on teachers and school. It is the child's relationship with the school. Let's have a sneak peek into the child's relationship and listen to what they say.
Hey Mom and Dad, you won't believe what we learned today. Teacher taught us how to be kind and share with others. We played the game where we help each others. Build a tower with blocks, and the goal was to make the biggest tower. Yes, we also did a project about recycling. We take care of planet by reusing things. It felt so good to know we are helping the earth. That sounds amazing. Your school is doing such a great job, teaching you important values like kindness, caring, and for the environment. Absolutely. I am so glad you are learning not only English and maths, but also how to be good people, how to work together, and help others, each other, and respect the world around us. We are so proud of you, sweetie. Your school is really helping you grow in all the right ways. You are learning important life lessons that will help you become a thoughtful person. Yes, this kind of learning makes you ready for the world. Keep up the great work. Thank you. Thank you, Mom and Dad. We are so lucky to have school that teaches both the things, how to think and how to care. Thank you, school, for helping us grow in every way. Thank you.
Thank you, kids. Thank you for the lovely message. Coming up next for another performance, we are going to have our kids from EW Cherries on stage. I would like to call Dhriti Shah, Dhruv Adisara, Shivanya Yadav, Dhriti Chopra, Spruha Pawale, Rutvi Dahale, Agam Singh, Ashwi Nagda, Ashwit Ruge, Rutvi Jain, Ananya Kanchandani, Ridhisha Tiwari, Adia Mishra, Dhruvi Chauhan, Nakul Jangam, Ranveer Sapkal, Siddheshwari Purohit, and Krishna Priya Timbe. Our kids of EW Cherries are going to do a school dance. Let us watch this performance as our students dance with gratitude and joy, celebrating the powerful influence of their teachers and this wonderful institution that makes their dreams possible. Lungi dance and Masti Ki Pathshala. Ladies and gentlemen, let's clap for them, let's cheer them up. These are our little ones from EW Cherries. Let's begin at the count of 3, 2, 1, music.
दोस्तों आज बहुत बोर हो रहा है और आज तो हमारे फेवरेट टीचर भी एब्सेंट है। तो क्या हुआ? ये देखो मेरे पापा का फोन। क्या? पापा का फोन? इसमें तो गेम्स भी होंगे ना और कार्टून भी। हाँ और गाने भी। पहले मैं प्ले करूँगी। नहीं मैं करूँगा। मैं करूँगी। मैं करूँगा। मैं।
This is the tribute to Delilah.
बच गए, कोई नहीं आ रहा है।
From our kids of EW Cherries. Wow. Let's clap for them once again. Come on. We can hear once more. Do you want to see it once more? Swapnil sir. This EW Cherries. Coming up next, we are going to have our kids from EW Apple for another drama on environment and nature. Tanush Tikole, Pravi Kulkarni, Viraj More, Sia Rakte, Sherish Pinjari, Jiyansh Thakkar and Mihan Kejriwal. We're going to have a drama from the kids of EW Apple, Profound and Instinctual. From a young age, children are drawn to the natural world, finding joy, wonder and comfort in its beauty and diversity. Their connection with nature nurtures their curiosity and sense of fostering a deep appreciation for the environment of all its inhabitants. These are our kids of EW Apple bringing to you a drama on environment nature. Let's begin.
कियान, सूरज जब टूटता है तो कहाँ जाता है?
मुझे लगता है कि सूरज सोने जाता है। दिन भर हमें रोशनी और गर्मी देता है। बहुत थक जाता होगा।
नमस्ते बच्चों। हाँ, मुझे भी आराम की जरूरत होती है, लेकिन चिंता मत करो, मैं कल फिर से आकर तुम्हें गर्मी और रोशनी दूंगा। मैं तुम्हारी मदद करने के लिए हमेशा यहाँ हूँ।
लेकिन दिन में सितारे कहाँ जाते हैं?
नमस्ते बच्चों। सितारे और तारे मैं तब आराम करते जब सूरज चमकता। हम हमेशा वही होते हैं, बस रात का इंतजार करते। हम तुम्हें यह याद दिलाने के लिए कि अंधेरे में भी सुंदरता और शांति होती है।
बच्चों, मैं यहाँ कई सालों से हूँ। मैं तुम्हें सांस लेने के लिए ऑक्सीजन देता हूँ और पक्षियों, कीड़ों और जानवरों के लिए शरण भी देता हूँ। मेरी जड़ें मुझे स्थिर रखती है और मैं तुम्हें यह याद दिलाता हूँ कि तुम चाहे जितना ऊंचा बढ़ो, लेकिन तुम्हें हमेशा प्यार और सच्चाई में स्थिर रहना चाहिए। वाह पेड़, तुम तो प्रकृति का दिल हो। तुम इतने मजबूत हो और सभी की मदद करते हो।
नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं आकाश में उड़ता हूँ और गाने गाकर खुशियाँ फैलाता हूँ। पक्षी हमें यह सिखाते हैं कि हमें हमेशा स्वतंत्र रहना चाहिए और दुनिया को खुशी से देखना चाहिए जैसे हम हैं।
मुझे पक्षी बहुत पसंद है। वे हमेशा खुश रहते हैं और हमें सिखाते हैं कि हम कभी भी नई चीज़ों को आजमाने से डरना नहीं चाहिए।
मैं अपने समय पर खिलता हूँ और तुम्हें यह सिखाता हूँ कि सुंदरता हर रूप में होती है। तुम भी वैसे ही सुंदर हो जैसे तुम हो। हर व्यक्ति के अंदर कुछ खास होता है जो दुनिया को दिखाने के लिए होता है।
तुम सच कह रहे हो फूल। जैसे तुम अपने समय पे खिलते हो, हम सभी के पास अपनी एक खास पहचान होती है जो हमें दुनिया के सामने लानी चाहिए। और सब मिलकर सूरज, चांद, पेड़, पक्षी और फूल हमें सिखाते हैं कि हम एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं और यही हमें जीवन के बारे में समझाने में मदद करता है। प्रकृति हमारी सबसे बड़ी शिक्षक है और यह हमें यह समझाती है कि हम सभी जुड़े हुए हैं। हम दुनिया का हिस्सा है और दुनिया हमारा हिस्सा
Let's clap for our little kids from EW Apple. That was a lovely drama from our little kids from EW. Thank you. Coming up for the next performance on stage, we have our kids of DR. They're going to dance on nature. On the stage, we have with us Ved Khandelal, Dhyanada Biradar, Griva Mehta, Jivansh Patil, Shilo Amuzu, Advait Majde, Navya Shah, Amatullah Anaswala, Ayansh Patil, Trisha Banwal, Sanvi Amashi, Sia Bafna, Shanaya Amrale, Shriyansh Amrale, Shrut Manot, Sharvil More, Adiraj Pardesi, Daksh Fulari, Adisha Deshmukh, Sanvika Anumula, Jivansh Bhatt, Anishka Kakade, and Shivatmaj Kumbhar. These kids are going to dance on nature. They're going to take you through a magical performance, through the wonders of nature, celebrating its beauty, its strength, and endless gifts, from the warmth of sun to the calm of the moon, from blooming of flowers to the movement of the winds. This dance is a tribute to the natural world that nourishes and sustains us. These kids are going to dance on the song Avara Bhavre, Bam Bam Bole, and a nature song.